Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a 3D object like this. Again we are using canvas plane for dimensions. In this tutorial we also use pattern tool. So here's the canvas, and again we start calibrating this canvas. So we can use point here and there, and it says it's 85. Now we can move this canvas a little bit higher so it's not there. Then we create sketch. Okay, and now we can start drawing. We can use this point as center point. By pressing C we can use circle tool. Then click here. And we can change dimension by pressing D. Again it says it's 30. Then we can draw a construction line by pressing L. And we can change construction and normal lines by pressing X. Then we can set dimension 80. And then we can draw other line like that. We change dimension 85. Now we can use constraint midpoint. We click here and then there, and it goes like that. Now we can draw these circles. First here. So this one is R8, so it's 16. And this one is 26. Like that. And then we draw this one, it's R52. So we can use arc tool and center point arc. We click here, then we do like that. Now we can change dimension correct, so it's 52. Then we can draw this circle and this circle. So this one is 52 and this one is, it's 36. Like that. Now we can draw this line, and we can see it takes tangent line here, so let's click that. And again here is tangent line. Then we can change that also, so click there and here and here. And after that we can create this arc line. There isn't any dimension for that, so we can use here 52 and here 104. So let's create arc line there and like that. Then we use again tangent line and tangent line here. Now we can select this one 52 and then draw other arc line. Let's say it's well somewhere there. Well, that's not there, but so we click here and then there, and again tangent tool and there. Now it's there, tangent. Now we can select dimension for this, and let's say it's 104. Okay, so now we have to only do this pattern. So we draw a construction line, press X, and that is 32.5, and circle is 21.9, and now we just use pattern tool, circular pattern. We click this object, and then we select center point, which is here, and now we can select how many pattern we want, and then press OK. So now it's there, and if we want to change this pattern, we can just click here and we can edit how many circles we want here. We can also use this suppress, and we can change if we want to delete some of these, and then it goes like that. And Ctrl G is for undo. So now it's back. And now we can extrude this. Let's select that. Let's say it's 10. Then we can extrude. Let's hide that. And we can extrude this 20. Operation join. We can change color for this. Like that. We can hide this canvas and that. And use chamfer tool. Click here, 2, and then we can select these. So now it's ready. Thank you for watching.